Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? Hedera Hashgraph price is pumped up, my friend, 6.96%. The price is increased now, so definitely it's a very good news for all of you. To the price is hour by hour, minute by minute, and second by second increasing. I am so happy because I am also holder of Hedera Hashgraph, and if you are also holder now, this is a good news for all of you. To the price is pump up, and definitely there is more chances to upcoming time the price is moving upward, because I expect very good from Hedera Hashgraph. So therefore I am 100% sure to the price will be increased in upcoming days. My viewers, my subscriber, I have one request for all of you. To if you want to get a profit in those days, now please invest now more and more, and sell it at the end of month. Just and only, my friend, if you invest in those days and sell it at the end of month, so they will give you 100% profit now. Absolutely, my friends, you will earn a lot of money just in only in 10 days. But if you understand better to what we will need to do, my personal experience I already shared now, so please you also share your opinion in a comment box. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Let's see how Hedera has grab holder to what's going on, but very huge pumps is coming soon, so I hope they will give me a very good profit. Please, if you want to invest, the price is really cheap. Otherwise, my friends, we will never get a profit. Allah Hafiz holder, please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.